MagSafe isn't just for wireless charging. MagSafe is a great way to attach accessories to your devices or to mount your devices quick and easy. If your phone, tablet, or case doesn't come with MagSafe compatibility, then you can easily add the MagSafe mounting feature to your devices with MagSafe ring kits like these. There are so many to choose from online, and it's hard to tell which one to pick. Before you go and buy one, which one is the best? Metal rings or magnet rings? Is there a difference? And what if you want to use two MagSafe rings so that you can mount your devices to other things of your choosing? I will answer these questions and more next. Frakking Creations, showing you the good stuff. Metal or magnet MagSafe rings, which is best? There are two types of MagSafe rings you can get. One's made out of metal and one's made out of magnets. The main difference is that metal ones are usually thinner, while the magnet ones typically hold stronger. Magnet ones also have the added ability to self-align when they attach, which is very important for proper wireless charging and for a stronger hold. Metal MagSafe rings have a slight ability to align, but only after you manually center it. As you can see here, this Telesin metal ring will stick to a MagSafe mount even when it is not fully centered. When not centered properly, it just won't be a strong bond and will not hold well. You will have to make sure of proper alignment so that your device doesn't break away unexpectedly. Whereas this Shinjimoru MagSafe magnet ring auto-aligns and holds quite well. The best MagSafe ring is the one with the features you need. The ones I show are some of the better ones available. Find links to them in the video description below. An important thing to note before buying a MagSafe ring kit is understanding the wording used. I bought this ESR magnetic ring thinking that it was made of magnets because it was described as being magnetic. I should have realized that magnetic can be used for both magnetic metals and also magnets. Both are attracted to magnets, so the word magnetic can be used for either. Lesson learned the hard way. So if you're looking for MagSafe rings made of magnets, then make sure it says it is made with magnets. By the way, if you want more info on installing a MagSafe ring, we have a video for that too, so check it out. Can you reposition, remove, or reuse a MagSafe ring? One question that gets asked is whether a MagSafe ring can be repositioned or reused. The straight answer is no, and this is because the ring can bend out of shape when removed, and it will be impossible to bend it back to shape. But one way I remove the ring intact is to use either monofilament or microfilament fishing line along with proper gloves and eye protection. I carefully go back and forth to cut through the adhesive while being very careful not to damage the device or let the line cut into my hands. Do note that once removed, the adhesive will be damaged, and in order to reuse the ring, I will have to replace the old adhesive with new double-sided tape. Will two MagSafe magnet rings attract or repel? MagSafe Mounting Rings. Another great question is whether two MagSafe magnet ring plates attract each other. And the answer is a resounding no. Just like magnets with the same polarity, this SPIGEN MagSafe magnet ring will repel this Shinjimoru MagSafe ring. It won't matter which brand or MagSafe magnet ring you have. As long as the rings are made of magnets and are to be installed on a phone, tablet, or case, then any two will repel. If you want a MagSafe ring that will attract a device-side MagSafe ring, then you will need an anti-MagSafe ring or MagSafe mounting ring with reverse polarity. This one by Milken is the perfect mounting side MagSafe ring to pair with a MagSafe compatible device. Now you can attach this to a wall, mirror, or anything you want and be able to attach your MagSafe device to it. For example, I made a tactical phone holster that uses this MagSafe mounting ring. The phone is held in place quite securely by the MagSafe mounting ring. For heavier tablets, a magnet ring and reverse polarity magnet ring are also available in a kit like this, which I will link to in the video description below. Note that these tablet magnet rings are larger than the MagSafe rings. Now you have everything you need to know before buying a MagSafe ring for your phone, tablet, or case. If you found the video useful, then we ask that you like and share the video. It really does help the video and our channel grow and get more visibility. Subscribe for more good stuff to come.